Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar. We have a group here, RESCENE, with a song called Runaway. So this is a little bit different, okay? I know this is maybe not your typical guitar song or so, but I know this genre, this kind of girl group and young Asian boy groups bands, they are very popular right now, so I want to bring in something from everybody. Maybe not my meat and potatoes, but anyway, let's do this for you guys who love this kind of music. So we're gonna throw in not my RESCENE Runaway. That is what I'm supposed to say. Now let's go into this one with the capo on second. Okay, so second fret capo is the best scenario for us. We have 5 chords here to handle, so let's do the first one. E minor. Okay, so E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next. That is third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. A minor, open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. C next. Very easy transition there. You go third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. And finally we have the D. So that goes open D, second G, third B, and second E. Yeah, and I know there is this melody in the background. We're gonna drop that because it's way too fast, and I don't think anybody would like to play that to handle this specific song. We're gonna go easy, playable touch on this curl, and that will be with the chords. So now let's go into this strumming pattern. If you grab the first chord, E minor, you're gonna play like this. Okay, so it's first down, down, up, and that will be the part 1. We're gonna have a split later on, so that is part 1, down, down, up, and then comes up, down, up. So if you connect these two parts, it will be down, down, up, up, down, up. If you want to have this beat going on, you can replace the strumming pattern we just learned with this. Okay, so the first part will be down, clap up, and then up, clap up. So connect these to 2 parts, it will be down, clap up, clap up, down, clap up, clap up. It's up to you. Let's go into the song. The verse play will be E minor, 1 string around, G1, A minor 1, and C1. Then we have a chorus play. It's very, very similar. What you're going to play here is E minor 1, G1, A minor 1, so far the same. And then we have a split on the last chords. It will be C, part 1, down, down, up, and then D, part 1 as well, down, down, up. So one round there in the chorus will be... Alright, so there we have the verse play and chorus play, very similar. And then at one time there, and it starts about 2 minutes and 4 seconds in, comes a bridge part in. What you're going to play there is just 1 down of the following chords, C, D, and E minor. We have pauses in between, and the pause after E minor is twice as long as the other ones. You're going to play for 2 rounds, so... And there, my friends, you have all the tools, all the parts of the song to handle it. Runaway, RESCENE. Hope you enjoyed it. A little bit different, but still cool to do something else sometimes. Hope you enjoyed it, guys. Until next time, play tuned.